What if getting safe, filtered water was as easy as pressing a button? Introducing our next-generation eco-friendly water vending machines. Made for convenience, built for health. We are the manufacturer of fully automated water vending machines. Designed to provide clean, affordable water anytime, anywhere. Every machine comes with a built-in water treatment system. It includes advanced filtration stages to remove dirt, chemicals, and bad taste. Ozone generator for powerful natural disinfection. UV sterilization to eliminate bacteria and viruses. No external filter needed, it's all inside. Just bring your bottle, tap to pay, and fill it up. Clean, fresh water in seconds. Save money. Save plastic. Save time. Built for all conditions, hot and cold weather. These machines work 24/7. With low maintenance and high reliability. Join the movement for clean water access. As the manufacturer, we offer direct sales, custom branding, full technical after-sales support, wholesale and international delivery. WhatsApp. English language contact. +998 999212888. Website xianlanghuanbao.com. $998-999212888.